Good morning and welcome to Equipment Remarketing. We're taking a look at a 2016 Great Dane 36'6" steel wood combo. Beautiful refurbed unit, folks. Universal mounting kit on the back. Turbo blasted, primed and repainted. Brand new buyer's toolbox. Refurb steel outer rim. Brand new rubber. Brand new brakes and drums. Air ride suspension. Universal mounting kit. Folks, this will carry a Moffett, Princeton, Loadmac, and many other brands. Just let us know what you have. We're more than happy to confirm everything will fit or make alterations for you. Brand new straps and ratchets. Refurb steel outer rim with brand new rubber. Take a look at our website, 99lifts.com. Give us a call at 260-238-4998. We're more than happy to answer any questions you might have and help you through this process. Just give us a call. Take a look at our website, 99lifts.com.